We're the Grill Dads, and this is our grilled chicken club. The chicken's a little on the thick side, so we're gonna fillet this, open it up like a book, and turn it into 2 pieces. Now it's gonna cook faster and more evenly, and we've doubled the surface area for seasoning. We're gonna use a nice mild kosher salt. If you wanna hit that, make sure you get a nice even coating on that. Don't use iodized table salt for this. It's too salty and it doesn't dissolve. Garlic, oregano. Time for some pepper. But my hands got chicken on it, so.
Let's make some bacon for our Club Sammy. How many strips can I get in this skillet? Put her on the mini max. Let's go ahead and grill our chicken.
Tomatoes need lots of salt. An unsalted tomato is the worst gift you can give to a sandwich.
I got the bread for our club sandwich. Let's toast it. All right, got the toast.
Homemade aioli here. There's no princess bites with this one.